Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine. Wednesday afternoon, closing up, hump day, done. Here I give you an update on what we got going on. We got this Maverick in, brand new boat, doing a trolling motor, good sound system, jail audio. Just wrapping her up now. I don't know if you can see the amp in there. Over there on the side, little switch to control the amp. Did a Bluetooth modular on it, nice and clean. Trim motor will be wrapped up tomorrow, so this will be going home tomorrow. J14, just got to do the fuel tank and fuel filter. Old Maverick in for lower unit impeller, and he had a charging problem, so we put a new regular rectifier, and what was it on that one? This 18 Mavericks in for clean looking boat, really nice looking boat. New electronics, we're gonna pull all that stuff out, stash the radio down below, and put a 12-inch Simrad in the dash and network the stereo into the GPS. Really nice looking. Our good buddy Captain Lewis with his Maverick, he had a prop shaft seal go out, caught in the nick of time. That'll be done tomorrow. And we also did a top service on it. Another Maverick in for just some little cosmetic stuff. One of the speakers is not working for some reason, and then we're taking that off and putting a balls out mount. Looks a lot nicer than that thing. I think this is a K-Moss boat out of Ocean Reef. All new electronics in this one as well. That one has a fuel tank issue, which I think we solved. We'll find out. And then we got this other J14 Carolina skiff with the side console that we just got done. Jeff from Island Boatworks just got done with that. He's just got a paint down below that he did. And this will be ready for us to rig tomorrow, I think. Donzi's still in for a project. Motor hopefully be here soon. And this Intrepid is in for the hole in the bottom of it. That's been ongoing. So that's what we got so far. We got a couple more boats coming in tomorrow, so stay tuned.